Looking for the best electric lawnmower or cordless weed trimmer for your garden? In this video, we compare 5 of the best lawn care tools for 2026. From lightweight cordless grass trimmers to powerful brushless lawnmowers and heavy-duty electric weed cutters, these tools offer efficient cutting, adjustable designs, rechargeable convenience, and excellent performance for keeping your lawn neat and well-maintained. Number 5. 18V Cordless Electric Brush Cutter Weed Trimmer. This handheld 18V cordless brush cutter combines portability with powerful trimming performance for home gardens and yards. Featuring a retractable shaft, lightweight design, and cordless operation, it efficiently cuts grass, weeds, and light brush. Its user-friendly controls and balanced construction make it comfortable for extended use, offering an excellent solution for homeowners seeking convenient lawn maintenance without. Number 4. Cordless Adjustable Grass Cutter. Designed for versatility, this cordless grass cutter features an adjustable cutting head, telescopic shaft, and compatibility with Makita 18V batteries. Its ergonomic design allows comfortable trimming at various angles while reducing user fatigue. Perfect for edging lawns, clearing weeds, trimming around trees, and maintaining difficult-to-reach areas, it delivers reliable cordless performance with excellent flexibility for everyday gardening. Number 3. 2400W High Power Electric Lawn Mower. Built for demanding lawn care, this powerful 2400W electric mower operates at speeds up to 3,600 revolutions per minute for fast and efficient grass cutting. Its robust motor easily tackles thick grass, weeds, and overgrown areas while providing stable performance. Designed for medium to large gardens, it combines strong cutting power with reliable durability, making it an excellent choice for regular. Number 2. Brushless Cordless Lawnmower for DeWalt 20V Battery. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, this cordless lawnmower delivers strong cutting performance while maintaining low noise and longer motor life. Compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, it features adjustable cutting angles, lightweight construction, and excellent maneuverability. Ideal for trimming grass, weeds, shrubs, and garden edges, it provides professional-level performance for homeowners and DIY gardeners alike. Number 1. Cordless USB Rechargeable Electric Lawnmower. This portable cordless lawnmower is designed for convenient trimming around gardens, sidewalks, flower beds, and small yards. Featuring a lightweight body, USB rechargeable battery system, retractable handle, and ergonomic design, it offers easy handling and improved mobility. Its compact size makes it perfect for homeowners looking for a simple, efficient solution for routine lawn maintenance and weed removal without dealing with extension. These 5 electric lawnmowers and weed trimmers provide excellent performance for homeowners, gardeners, and DIY landscapers. Whether you need a lightweight cordless grass trimmer, a brushless weed cutter, or a powerful electric lawnmower, these tools deliver reliable cutting performance, convenient operation, and efficient lawn care to help keep your outdoor spaces clean, healthy, and beautifully maintained.